Hey, what's up guys? It's me, the J-Man, and I'm back here today with another WWE Slam Crate unboxing video. And the theme for June 2017 is stables. Not staples, stables. As in a team consisting of more than 2 members, like the New Day or D-Generation X. So, without further ado, let me open up the box and show you what's inside. As you can see, it says stables right there. WWE Slam Crate, powered by Loot Crate. It's got these cool logos from different wrestling factions. Let's do the shirt first, since it's right here. The shirt is Sasha Banks. It's got her chain. It says legit boss. It's all shiny. And her glasses on the back. I don't have a Sasha Banks shirt. This is my first one. Next we have here it's a New Day foam unicorn finger. Did you imagine having a unicorn horn for your finger? And it's universal to people who are right-handed or left-handed. It's a new day, yes it is. Down, bow, bow. I can remember to take this the next time I go to a wrestling event. Maybe NXT TakeOver? Nah. SmackDown. Next thing we have here is Slam Crate exclusive. It's Bray Wyatt socks from Odd Socks. Randy, blah to Randy. These are socks you need, Randy. Follow the socks on your feet. These are really nice. I always wanted a pair of these type of socks. The pin is NWO spray painted on the WCW / World Heavyweight Championship. Stables. We have another read-up book. This one about stables, and you can see the different stables that are on the cover. You got the 4 Horsewomen, you got the New Day, you got DX. On the back you got Dunna, 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 Shield. Just like the other book, can't wait to read this. And just like with the other box that came before, we get another one of these figures, this time Triple H, to go with the Stone Cold Steve Austin. Well, you know, you might have got Austin first, but I am the best. Now let's open this up. Here's that piece of the ring. Triple H's sledgehammer. The turnbuckle corner. The ropes. And here is Triple H. So he has a hole in his hand for his sledgehammer. I like the Austin figure. Looks friggin' amazing. It's all about the game and how you play it. Why am I so skinny? I'll put this together when I'm done with this review. And now last in the box is the booklet. Open it up. See all the goodies that are included. Everything, once again, is exclusive. Interview with Sanity. And there is Sanity. And the poster is Dunna, 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 the Shield. And that is it for my review and unboxing of the new Slam Crate for June 2017 Stables. Tell me what you guys think, and let me know what was your favorite item from this box. I would probably be the socks. So until the next wrestling unboxing I do, I will see you soon. And if you ain't down with that, we got 2 words for you. Suck it.